Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak this wonderful event. We are Third Gear from Tokyo, Japan. I'm Issei and the CEO of Third Gear. In order to serve as an ecosystem for the creation and development of Web3 entertainment services, we have achieved a lot of success with Web3 since last year. Our goal is the completion of physical ecosystem utilizing blockchain. Now, I'm going to give a more detailed overview of my company and the project. Let's look at the first slide. Third Gear's corporate vision is the creation of a new internet through the blockchain ecosystem. On top of this, we have a mission. Our mission is a realization of an open economy in the creative industry. This is to say, we are working towards an open internet of individual ownership. What's more, we plan to create a new user experience by maximizing credit and value. So, okay, move it on. Let me provide a breakdown of our business segmentation on this slide. As you can see, our business is categorized either as NFT or metaverse business. In general, we deal with Japanese IP. Here you can see one of key point is change the industry for blockchain experience, and these are type of services offered by Third Gears. Start with NFT and then token game. After that, DApp and Metaverse. As you can see, our capability allows for a one-stop service from planning to delivery to the future. Let's move ahead. This part is my company core value. You can see we are building a physical ecosystem. Furthermore, I plan to expand this ecosystem to include blockchain credit. We are planning product the next few months. Now let's look at one question we need to ask is why Web3? So it's important to understand the idea of balanced branding. As you can see in the middle here, it has three concepts basically, the creative, tech, and business concept sections. Our goal is to strike a balance between these three sections. Okay, so now let's talk about SUI. What we want to develop utilizing SUI and our studio ecosystem. We are planning to create completely new entertaining service by creating a metaverse on top of the SUI ecosystem. The name of the metaverse is Far East Authentic. It's not gaming. This is a Web3. Further development of Japanese creative industry and the decentralization on a global scale. The word of Far East Authentic with Japanese origin. Trans-second borders and concept generating the metaverse from creator credit with the focus on the synergies between creator and users. Right? Far East, back. Far East Authentics aim to solve the challenge of creators through entertainment. Those challenges are 5-point issues for creators. For example, unable to hold license on individuals, unable to assert clear responsibilities. It looks like this. It's a very important issue, I guess. Far East Authentic will resolve the challenging by providing, as you can see, these 4 different solutions shown on the right side. Okay, so let's explain. First of all, authentic. Creators can issue creator credit for the work they produce. The mechanism involves issuing a digital card by combining a VC and NFT. These can be verified by Far East Authentic's screening team and clients, game developers, and others, providing proof of authenticity for third-party verification. So we are considering using the technology for the entertainment industry in addition to Far East Authentic. If you are a developer and interested, please contact us. Okay, so let's go next. Visuality. When creators collect several creator credit cards, they can generate a metaverse space that reflects those works and their own personality. This allows creators to express the worldview of their works and validate their credits. This is the third generation portfolio, and the metaverse space can be customized by the creators. And Rex then connected continuous license distribution through secondary creation and collaboration using credits. Depending on their credit score, creators can access to some space contents within the ecosystem. For example, you will have access to the following contents and people. Japan IP access asset for 3D stuff like that. Japan Anime Studio Association. Open source, partner resource network, physical personality pass, stuff like that. Using creator credits, new content utilizing the name of creators app information about their works can be produced within the metaverse. For example, creators' work can generate new products and games using the name and the information of creators and their works, stuff like that. And next is digging. This is a unique point. It feels like a DJ discovering creativity. Users can search for credits related to their favorite genre and creators. This allows using to find works that match their taste and preference and experience. More enjoyable entertainment. Overall, these solutions aim to help creators overcome the challenges they face in the creative industry, allowing them to express their individuality and connect with user and creative brands. So we would like to promote this project together with everyone to make Sui even more exciting in conjunction with the mainnet release. I am looking forward to connecting and speaking with you soon. Thank you for your time. We are Third Gear from Japan. I'm CEO Issei. ありがとうございました。
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.